lizard. But still,
Yeah,
the
but
thing,
you couldn't
but the
tell
thing,
the wristwatch from the lizard.
but
So.
it never, yeah.
Oh, is he the one that crushed his watch?
That was,
Yes.
yeah,
Mine
that
crushed
was
Bono's
another. That was
watch.
another story. I'll tell. I'll
He
tell
never
that
tell
one
you
here in a
that.
minute.
He never told you that
Oh,
one.
I'll tell that. I'll
wow.
tell that one here in a
You'll
minute.
love that one.
But
Well, let him tell the bird story.
but anyway, the one during the day, this thing never sounded off until where you could ever really see it. But you'd get out there, but I mean, but it was some kind of a critter that would get out there at night, and it wasn't saying it, but at first when you first heard it, and especially when you was a new guy coming in the country, you figured it was an enemy or something out there messing around, because the bird had a real high pitch to it, but the way it did it went, fuck you,
Yeah, yeah.
and you're going, huh? I mean, it would just keep doing that, and it would just keep doing that. Well, you could pitch a grenade or something out through there, and it would shut up for a while, but then later on, it was going to come back doing it again.
It was my first night out there. First night ambush. I mean, I was cherry.
Did you ambush the bird?
No, but I sat there. Honey, look,
Did you talk back to
everybody was asleep. Right? Well, I felt like, well, you too, you know.
Not me.
So I'm sitting there, you know, I'm on watch. Everybody's asleep. And this thing cranks up, you know. Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm like, what? Yeah, and it's off, you know, 50 yards or so off down through the jungle. I sat there for a while. I thought, I must be hearing things. Well, it started up again. Same thing. You know. So I don't remember who was beside me. It could have been Rolf. Hey, wake up, man. What? Somebody out there yelling, F you. And, oh man, that's a bird. Go back to sleep.
Well, I mean, because I had been told it was a bird, and then I had also been told that some of them that it was like a lizard. You had all kinds of goofy critters over there.
Exactly like that's what it was saying, but it was in a high pitched voice.
Yeah, it was just a high pitch in a perfect way it would do that, and you sit there and think,
Hey man.
Yeah, the watch was.
Holler back at it.
Is that what he told you?
You too.
Yeah.
Well, that was after nearly getting shot my first night out there by our squad leader.
Oh my God. Honey.
So he picks 3 guys. Well, he picks 2 to go out and set up the claymores, you know, because we were on the ambush. We waited till it got, just about dark. All you can see is figures. So he picks these 2 guys, and then he says, new guy, you go with them. Provide security, right? Okay, so we go over and set up the first claymore. And, you know, you're not supposed to walk in a pack.
Right.
You know, one grenade take you all out. So when they take off to set up the second one, you know, I lag behind a little bit. I'm starting to cross, and we're about as far as from probably from here up to the well, you know. Bono picks up his rifle. Rolf's telling me this when I got back in. Bono picks up his rifle. Who's that out there following those guys? Rolf said, you idiot. That's the new guy you sent out there with him. He was getting ready to squeeze one off on you. Forgot that he sent 3 out there. And this is a squad leader. That's Marine Corps leadership right there, I tell you. That's officer material.
All right, tell him about